What's up, everybody? Chris from Bold Canyon Outdoors, and I wanted to show you the latest addition to the Bold Canyon Outdoors adventure rigs, and this is our adventure trailer-roo. So this is a 1975 Ford Courier Pickup Bed trailer. Do a quick walk around here. So this came out of the desert in Nevada. It's actually really super solid. You know, just a standard 2-inch ball. I've got a whole bunch of upgrades and modifications for this that we're planning. The first of which is I'm going to be running my old Rubicon wheels on this brand new 3,500 pound axle. So it has these old steel wheels, this real small lug pattern. You know, I could have stuck with this axle and put some spacers on it that would have allowed me to run Jeep wheels on it, but with this axle it's actually going to have about a 3.5 inch lift, and I'll show you why. So look down underneath, and as you can see, the axle that's in it is a kind of a U-shaped drop axle, and this actually looks like it came out of the front end of something because it's got pivot points on it that are welded solid, but it's got a nice 2 1/4 multi-leaf spring pack in there, nice frame. And I love this old Courier bed. It's kind of similar to the old Toyota beds. It's got the real clasps on it, chains to hold it in place. This one's disconnected because I had it flopped all the way down at one point. You know what? This is an awesome, solid little trailer. So over here, where the fuel filler used to go, I'm actually planning to do a water outlet, because this runs right into this fender. I was going to put a water tank right here, put a hole through here, and actually have kind of a gravity-fed water system there. But yeah, it fits everything we need in it. The guy we got it from said he put 2,000 pounds of bricks and gravel in the thing. I'm not planning on putting that much on it, but you know, eventually we'd like to maybe put a rack on it, or a canopy and a rooftop tent, or just a rack on top for more stuff, canopy so we can sleep in it. This right here was my first modification. Originally it had a little trailer stanchion here that went up and down, but first time out I left it down, caught it on a berm, bent it. So this was my beautiful Harbor Freight purchase. So this goes up and down, has the dual wheel, and it pivots sideways, so I can just kick it sideways and I won't have to worry about running into the ground. Spare tire mount here. I don't know if we're going to leave the spare tire mount here. We might put a box on it right here. You know, it's got you know, solid places to mount if we wanted to put a toolbox or a battery box, if we wanted to run a separate battery depending on how deep we get into it. And the old style bed, you know, this is a 5 foot by 6 foot bed, and like the old Toyotas and Datsuns, the Ford ran these tie down tabs all the way down the side. So we've got this little spider web elastic jobby there. We can put it on the tie downs, cover our load, and yeah, it makes it real super easy. Tows like a dream. Got newer LED lighting in it. We thought about painting it to match the Jeep, but we thought, you know what, I kind of like the patina, the chipped paint, and the desert tan, because we're down here in the desert. So that's it. That's the adventure trailer-roo. We've got a lot of work to do on it. But yeah, cool little project. So I'm going to get some pictures taken, some other info, and yeah, follow along. This one's going to be fun. That's it for now for Bold Canyon Outdoors. Happy trails, everybody.